How to get a pig spawner in Minecraft. So this will work on creative mode with commands in it. So first you just simply need to open up the command line, then just type in give, then your player name. After that, just type in spawner and click on enter. Once that's done, you will now have the monster spawner, and make sure that you're on a biome where pigs usually is spawned to. So I'm currently on a village where pigs are spawned. So you just simply need to place the spawner on the ground. After that, you just simply need to get a spawn egg of a pig right here. So pig. So we now have the pig spawn egg. So once you have the egg, just simply need to right click on the spawner to place it inside. After that, you just simply need to wait for some time till a pig will be spawned right there. So just need to wait for some seconds. As you can see, a pig is now spawned. So this spawner will basically spawn unlimited pigs. You simply need to wait for the interval on when the pigs will spawn again. But that's how you basically get a pig spawner in Minecraft.